This is a very old BIOS setup utility, or we can say BIOS software. As you see the main menu, it's showing all the information. You see my RAM, it is only 512 MB, not even a 1 gig. You see 512, only one chip of the DDR2. Okay, DDR2. And the next is CPU. You can see here I did not have the mouse here, so as you see the CPU is Celeron. Okay, CPU is Celeron 2.40 gigahertz. It's very slow. Okay, the next menu, it's the boot configuration, the PCI configuration. These PIs are the slots, okay, that you can use the card, like network card or video cards. I have one video cards inside. Okay, so press escape. You can see the boot configuration. Plug and play OS, no. You can press yes if you want. You can change. And the peripheral configuration, you can see serial port A, serial port, then no more currently. It's very old PC. IDE configuration, this is the hard disk. The hard disk, how many gigabyte, or only 80 gigabyte hard disk, very small. And this hard disk using the IDE cable, okay, IDE cable. And one is the secondary IDE master is the CD drive. Okay, so you can see here we have one hard disk, we have one CD drive using the IDE cable, and the diskette configuration is 1.44 MB. Okay, floppy A, floppy A, and even logs configuration, video configuration is 1 MB size. My goodness. USB configuration, yeah, we have USB 2.0. yeah, chipset. Okay, I just want to show you the fan controller, lowest fan speed. Yeah, the next is security. You can set the password of the BIOS software. Only you can go to the BIOS setup. If you don't want anybody to go to the setup, so the BIOS setup software, you can put the password. Okay, but do not forget your own password. This is the power, this is the boot. Okay, the ordering boot. Okay, this is the first boot, is floppy disk. As you can see, when I was showing you the startup my PC, it was check the floppy drive for the first, and then the second is hard disk. Okay, this is the third boot. If the hard disk not boot, it will be boot from the CD if you insert the CD. So it is just the boot ordering. Okay, next is you can save. You can just discarding the settings if you don't want to save. Let's say if you want to save, you just press saving, and it will also save and exit. Okay, when you press OK, it will exit the BIOS and go to the booting windows. Okay, I think the menu of the BIOS, that's all for the very old PC. Yeah, thank you. This is my very old PC. I think I got it around almost 10 years. Yeah, almost 10 years. Um, Let me tell you about the drive you can see uh, inside the PC case. One is CD drive and zip drive, and also the floppy disk. Okay, the floppy disk. Nowadays you cannot see the CD drive like this and floppy disk and the zip disk anymore. Okay, because this is very old PC and the design of the case is also very big. You see why it is very big. You can see the port, the slots of the drive. You can put another 3 CD drive. This case is allow you to have 4 CD or DVD drive. Okay, so I tell you this PC is still working. This PC is still working. Let me show you. So I power it on. Okay, I power it on. It's still working. Okay, because of the CMOS battery no longer power, so it asking me to press the F4 to run the setup. When I press S4, it will go to the BIOS setup. So I press S4 now. This is very old BIOS software. This BIOS software is to control all the hardwares on the PC. Okay, I will explain about BIOS software later. Okay, so I will go to press escape and we can start the Windows. I press escape and no, I pressed the wrong one. I press escape and then I press OK. It will be starting the Windows. As you can see the floppy disk LED, it means that it was looking for the boot from floppy disk. If you insert the floppy disk, and the floppy disk have the boot OS, it will boot from the floppy disk. Otherwise, it will be boot from the hard disk. Okay, as you see the Windows, it's starting, but it was some error. This error is very common. Why this error is very common? Okay, because the Windows was not shut down properly. Every time you see those kind of message, it was not properly shut down. Okay, this is using Windows HP. This PC using Windows HP. I can't believe that I can see the Windows HPs again. You see, Windows HP. It's still working. Okay, I'm going to press the account administrator. It's working as Windows 10 or Windows 11. You see, it's working. I can use Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Yeah, I still can use. Okay, I have to wait for some time so that the Windows HP can start all the services. before I'm going to start the Microsoft Word for you to see. You see the LED still blinking, the red LED still blinking. It means the running process is not finished yet. It's not finished yet. When the red LED stop blinking, it means the process of the Windows services and other services are running. Maybe I can say that they have finished startup running all the Windows services and other software service like that. So the LED, the red LED stopped blinking, so I can go to click to start the Microsoft Word. Okay, start program, Microsoft Office, Microsoft Word 2007. You see, it's still working. Yeah, Microsoft Word is still working. Then you can typing your document.